Using a face cleanser 2 times a day can be a problem for a lot of people with sensitive, acne-prone or dry skin. Used as a face wash, honey can help you get rid of blemishes, breakouts, irritation, redness, and dryness. It can leave your skin cleansed, nourished, hydrated, and glowing. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, is slightly astringent but also moisturizing, and is an excellent humectant. It regulates the sebum production, balances the pH, and preserves the skin's acid mantle. How to use honey as a face wash. First of all, transfer the honey into an empty, clean and dry pump bottle. It's ideal for dispensing the honey without creating a dripping mess in the bathroom. In the morning, splash your face with warm water. Pump a small amount of honey on your fingers. Massage the honey all over your face, neck, and décolletage for at least 60 seconds. Leave it on while you brush your teeth, have breakfast, drink coffee, etc. Use a damp washcloth to remove the honey. Rinse the washcloth as needed, repeating until all the honey has been removed. Continue with your regular skincare routine or just moisturize and apply SPF. In the evening, you have to remove all your makeup and SPF before using honey as a face wash. Follow the same steps as in the morning, and finish with your regular evening skincare routine. It's up to you to decide whether you use it once or twice a day. Experiment and make the best choice for your skin. If you want to know more about honey and its benefits for skin, watch the video Raw Honey for Healthy Skin, the Ultimate Beauty Elixir, link in the description.